you have to finish the recommended paying period and then wait for another 10 or more years for it to grow. Lalo na kung maliit ang premiums mo, tas ang taas ng face amount mo, your cost of insurance or your COI will be very high. Ang logic kasi is when you finish paying in the recommended paying period, for example, you got limited but not guaranteed 10 pay policy, babayaran mo siya for 10 years. Yung 10 years na yon computed doon, syempre, na si insurance company, kumbaga, break-even lang siya, na you have met the required premiums para hindi sila lugi in case na mag-payout sila after that paying period. So, ibig sabihin, kung naka-break-even pa lang, start from zero pa lang yung policy mo. And then, after 5 to 10 more years, doon pa lang siya talaga magkakaroon ng significant growth and doon mo pa lang siya pwedeng asahan na meron kang makukuha doon sa investment